Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, right now, I am going to be continuing my little install purge here of some things that I found that I knew I had but didn't know where I'd put them. So I am going to be working on now some of the TRD door stabilizers, so that go in and replace the OEM latch on the car. So this goes in and this slides. If none of you guys have seen this slides and actually pulls it at an angle. You can see how this is shorter on this end. So as the door closes, it pulls it tighter and stiffens it. So it comes with a slider kit. This piece right here will actually go on the door. And then there's two covers that cover the edges of this plate that goes around the door. So it comes with some directions, TRD, all in Japanese, but luckily it's pretty self-explanatory, and there's pictures that show everything. So got to take this off to start. This has got two Torx bolts. So T40 Torx, and so we will go ahead and get those off first. Try to position this so you guys can see everything as I do it here. And it does give you the torque for these bolts. You do reuse these bolts. Okay, but you will not reuse the latch, obviously. The latch moves in, so it's going to go like this, just like this. Well, that was one. I thought I had one. Okay, that's definitely in. Thought I had gotten this one started, but I obviously had not. There we go. Once they're partially threaded, it's a lot easier. Then it doesn't want to move around on you as much. Alrighty, 23 Newton meters is the torque. So I grabbed my smaller torque wrench. I don't use this much. So 23 Newton meters converts to 17 foot-pounds is what our handy Google translator does. So one. There we go. Okay, so that piece is installed, and we'll slide around and we'll do the door. For the door side, this is going to be attached this way. So not this way. If you do that, it's going to hit the latch and just crush it and bend it. So it goes this way right here, but you're only taking out these two screws right here, or bolts. And then that goes there. And then this is where the little covers will snap on over that. So this goes over that to give it a finished look. These, same size, but the torque is only 5 Newton meters on that, which is about 3.7 foot-pounds. So little things like this, I generally never worry about torquing. Oh, I thought this was the same. Nope, it's smaller. Oh, this is a 40, that's a 30. So I'm just gonna do this one at a time. This way. not going to tighten this all the way down, but I'm just going to. So I don't know if you can see this, but this is actually recessed, kind of coned in there so that it centers itself. Okay. So there you can really see how it makes it so it goes, whoops, right, makes it go flush. This magnetic pickup that comes in so handy, dropping bolts underneath cars. Snug those down. Okay, then now we can put our covers on. Make sure I get the orientation of these right. So this is sloped. Right here you can see how skinny it is there. So that's going to go toward the door as it closes. Okay, I know the opening's toward the back. So I need to go this way. There we go. Oh, well, that was easy. Once I push it the right direction. So then this one will go right here. There. Just like that. So that's the finished door side. And there's the finished latch side. So this slides in. And then this, so boy, you can see how it's going to take up all that extra gap. Well, this is going to be nice. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah. Boy, I can tell how that just tightens up the, whoa. Wow. Oh, man. This is going to be sweet. I can't wait to be hitting some back roads. I mean, I've heard people say what a huge difference this made. So, I like that. Okay. So I'm going to rinse and repeat for the passenger side. But that is how this is done. So I'll try and get that one done real quick. Same thing as this, just the opposite side, so I'm not going to show all that. The back doors are the same process. I figure I would go ahead and do one, so it's only just because it's at an angle, but this is going to be the same way, and it'll sit there like that. This one, these are the ones that aren't as tight. Okay. Okay, I'll get it. Okay. Those are on. And we'll put the covers on. I don't think that is, but I'll check it here in a second. Okay, that one's better. Okay, let's get these guys removed. Okay. This is the trickiest part. It's just getting that first one started. There we go. Okay. Hard to get your hand in there, but there we go. Okay, now I'll just torque them down. There we go. Sweet. So there's the rear door, the rear body, and there we go. Yeah. So the two left doors are done now. Now I just need to finish up on the right side and we'll be all done. Alrighty guys, that finishes up the TRD door stabilizers on my 09 Turbo Corolla. So now all four doors, both sides, have them. I can tell just the difference in the door closing, how it locks in on that. So I'm very excited to drive this and get it on some back roads. And I will have ample opportunity to do that on my upcoming road trip. So I'm very excited. This is going to be a lot of fun. And I will update you guys on what I think if I notice something different with it. Others have said that they did, so I'm expecting to also. And any questions or comments or anything like that, it was very easy to do. And we'll see how it does. Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this stuff, please comment, subscribe, like, share this to some other people. There have been people that have done this over the years, but it doesn't get a lot of notoriety, even though the results have been very good for people. So I'd appreciate that. And until next time, guys, we'll see you down the road.